Mama's going to take it with me. Can you just...
I know, baby. I'll do it for you.
All right, thank you. Mommy don't know how to take them like you do.
Mommy, can you hold my camera?
Yeah, can you just hold the camera and get this?
Go.
Hurry up before they make you get off.
There you go. This is the lady who's holding the camera graciously. I don't think we can take cameras in here, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it. I don't know, I'm assuming.
Just quit acting like it is.
All right, just hold it.
Well, look.
I mean, they don't have to do solid.
If they do.
Okay. All I do is make an assumption, people.
All right. See what is it? No smoking. So Mommy can.
I'm trying without me getting caught. Yes, caught, man. Hmm?
You see this right here? This is what your mama belongs to.
Okay.
Get ready to do radio and singing. This is what you belong to. One of the years.
Okay.
Alicia. Alicia. Come on, baby. Let's go over 15.
You should be.
That's what I be telling them.
My daughter is
She's an actress.
she's on her way.
What you were saying after?
Well, no, I'm getting ready. She's just starting. She's just graduated high school, and
Go next door. Get all the information.
Yeah,
You got all that information?
that's where we get ready to
Go
go.
next door. On that table, they have all that information down there for agents
Right.
and for stuff. You know, it's free. Walk right in there and get it. Pick it up. Go to look through it
Right.
and look through it.
Because she promised me she'd go to school, but she still want to do.
Well,
She
you got
still
to
like to do
you
this.
got to go to school. You got to get your education. You got to get your education.
Yeah. So she said she's not. It's not for the fame of it. It's something.
She loves doing. That's the only thing that's going to help you survive. Because after
You're the actor.
Well, I'm an actor.
I know.
But
And you ain't gonna take all your shades,
No,
but you
no.
you are the actor.
But
This one needs help.
I'm telling you, go in there and grab up all that information and look at that information and start the process. And what I mean by process, start getting your photos, start making inquiries with various things that they have available to you. You know what I mean? And just start the process. You know what I mean?
I was looking for Holly Robinson Pete's mom, Dolores Robinson.
Dolores Robinson.
I really wanted to talk with her because the thing of it is that I've worked behind the scenes in the entertainment industry, and I didn't think that my kids would be interested because I've already seen the side of it.
Oh, look, they got the naked
But
juice.
I wanted her because she just
Naked
was like
juice.
a down sister that
Laugh.
would help protect
That stuff's so healthy.
and I didn't know she was out the business of money.
Yeah.
But
Look, you may even want to go to Holly's. I think Holly has a foundation. You can look it up on Google. Google Holly Robinson. She has a foundation. Go through her, through Holly's foundation, and express what you want. Holly's pretty.
she's down to earth.
She's cool. She's really cool.
Yeah. Because I just want her to be helped. We're all protecting her.
Yeah.
Because she already looked like a brick house and
Okay,
all
well,
of that.
yeah, you
and
gotta
I didn't-
protect that.
Yeah, we had to
You know,
protect.
especially in Hollywood.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me.
I know.
Go to Holly's site.
Okay.
And yeah, go to Holly's site and send her a note through her foundation. I'm sure you'll find it.
For the autistic.
Yes, the autistic. Send her a note and let her know what you need to tell her. And if you need to tell her, just tell her, what you're trying to do.
Questions like this one here, neon silver and different people.
Yeah, I know neon.
This one here is like the musical G.
Okay.
I got her all down.
Hi.
Okay.
But for this baby here on her side, I know for
Oh, that's where I gotta be.
you know, just because
Freedom Party on top. American Federation of Television and Radio Artists.
I want to get the conversation. I'm listening. I'm sorry. You need to be listening to it. You know who it is. I'll tell you later.
Tell me now, so I can talk.
I can't tell.
Why? Why?
I can't tell.
Because then I'm going to get,
Not you.
I thought you said you can't tell me.
That's what I'm saying. No, that's stupid.
You got it.
I want to. It just depends, like the way she was saying it. It's like, well, you have to do commercials in order to get an agent. And I was like, well, how do I get to the commercials?
Well, this is what you do. I'm telling you, go in there.
And get
Information. Look through all those agencies and make sure that the agencies are signatories. What I mean by that is make sure that they're connected with the union, Screen Actors Guild, or even ACTA. Remember both. Yeah. Make sure they're signatories. And in doing that, first and foremost, your mama's in your corner. Get headshots. $100, $75 to get you some headshots. Go on and let them fix you up, let your mama fix you up. Go on with that nice little cute girly face. Give them a commercial look. Tell them you want a commercial headshot. Get a commercial headshot. You got them papers in there. Get on your JOB while you out this summer, while you out of school, and start packaging your stuff. Even if you got to make up one or two things.
And see, I've done shows.
Even
I've
if
done
you
shows.
use your mama's stuff. That's what we all were doing in the beginning. We had to do it in the beginning. So make up some stuff. Put it, make sure your resume's in the back of the head.
Okay.
Start sending them to those agents on that sheet.
Then the agency will do
They will contact you.
it.
Then the commercial auditions start.
Okay.
That's the problem.
I told her about call sheet.
That's it.
I said, you have a book. Wait a minute, I have a book. And I told her, even though she's got my heart and she's got all of those things.
There's protocol. There's a process. And you have, this is Hollywood, you have to follow the process. Everybody doesn't follow the same protocol. There's no set way of doing it or getting there or however you want to achieve your goals. But there is a protocol, especially in
There's always a way to play it.
There's always a way. And the best way to play it in the beginning, until you get yourself situated and put in the door, is to play it their way. You know, so you don't have to compromise. Don't compromise this.
What are you doing? No.
Don't compromise you. Because you cut them too. Don't compromise you. But go in and be legit in whatever it is that's in you, whatever you have to give to the world. That the Bible says your gift will make room for you. And so if you got a gift, it's automatically make room for you. But you got to do work, you got to do preparation.
Let me just show you, God is so good. He's an actor himself.
Yeah, I know.
I ain't gonna tell you.
If I turn this off, I'll turn it off. Okay.